Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to level up your Steam account. So let's get started. First, one of the most fastest ways to earn XP is by buying new games. Every game you buy adds to your Steam library, and the more games you purchase, the higher your account level goes. Another effective method of gaining XP is by earning badges. You can get badges by participating in Steam events such as the Steam Summer Sale or Winter Sale. You can also get badges by completing specific tasks in the games you have purchased. Now these badges give you XP which contribute to your Steam account level. You can also get badges by crafting them. This can be done by collecting trading cards of specific games you have. These cards can be get by playing the game or by trading them with other players. Once you have the complete set of the game, you can craft them into a badge. Now after crafting a badge, you can continue to upgrade it to certain levels, and these in turn give you XP, which in turn levels up your Steam account even more. If you're willing to spend a little more money, you can trade CSGO keys for finished card sets. This allows you to get quickly card badges and earn your XP. Once you receive all your card drops, you become eligible for booster packs. Booster packs are granted randomly to eligible users as they craft more badges. Make sure to log in to Steam every week to maintain eligibility. The higher your Steam level, the higher chance of getting a booster pack. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.